Want to know how to add your profile picture in Playsee app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application and make sure you are logged in as well. So once I run that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile, I think. So you can just simply select it. So once you have secured your profile here, you should be provided with your profile information with your follower, following and joined as well. So right beside it, you should be seeing your default profile picture if you have not added any. So you can just simply select it. And now once you've selected it, you can just simply access photos and videos, or access your library to your application first. Or you can just simply select this camera icon in order to select or take picture live. And that's it. Once that is done, you can just simply select your grid or your layout and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.